Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a trolley jack and use it. So here's the trolley jack. We got wheels. It's a 2-ton one. I put this rubber thing in so you don't have to put that in, but if they give you one, just put it in. Okay, mine's stuck in there now. But yeah, that's just for so you don't scratch underneath there. So yeah, you can put that in. So you got two handles. This is your end handle because it's got the handle obviously. This is your medium handle. So this goes in here. First there should be a screw. Wait, we'll try anyway. So put this in here and then lock it to the right or left, whichever one you want to do, and then you want to put this in, hold the button down. And there you go. Let's see if this goes up. So to put it up, you pump it up and down. But as you can see, it's not working because there's oil in there that we need to set off with a screw there. So we need to turn this screw here. There's a screw right there. It's just a flathead screwdriver. So that's what we're going to need to do to get the oil pumping so there's pressure. Otherwise it doesn't work. So give me 1 second and I'll go do that, guys. Okay, so the one you need to turn is actually this one. So you can use the end of this to turn it. So look, now if I lift it up and down, it will go up and down. As you can see, it's going up. I'll show you now. So to release it, all you do is twist this handle to bring it back down again. Put it into here. So as you can see, there's a slot there. Put that slot in there. And then just twist. Can you see? Twist it to the left. Just come down. And then to reset it, before you can pop it up again, you have to reset it by simply tightening the screw again. So just tighten it with this. There you go, full tight again, and then simple as that. Put this back in. There's your trolley jack. That's how simple it is to use it. So you have to tighten this first when you first use, so the oil gets pumping and you got pressure. You lift this up, and then when you're done, to loosen it, you turn it this way and it drops down again. Do that very slowly so it doesn't drop the car hard. So yeah, that's how you use a 2-ton jack. If there's any questions, let me know in the description below. Also, you get a handle. You just take this off, put the handle on there, put the nuts back on. Yeah, that's how you use it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. See you guys next time. Goodbye.